Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to download or install Rust mobile app on your Android phone. When it say Rust mobile, this item is not available in your country. So if you are getting this error message while downloading or installing the Rust mobile from the Play Store, then here follow the steps very carefully. So first of all, open the Play Store and then tap on search and then search for VPN Windscribe and then install the VPN Windscribe Fast and Secure VPN. And after installing it, open it and then connect to Hong Kong Victoria. Now here you will see this arrow icon, click on it. Now if it is selected WireGuard, then you have to select iKey V2. If that also doesn't work, then you can also select this one or this one and check which one work for you. And after connecting to iKey V2 500 Hong Kong Victoria, go to Google Chrome and then set the Google Chrome to desktop site. So tick mark the option desktop site and then your browser will look like this. Now I have provided a Google Play Store link. You have to just copy and paste that link over here and then click on go button. This will open the Google Play Store page and then you will see the install button. So click on install and then you will see this type of pop-up and then you can click on install button. Now it will ask you to confirm your identity. Click on continue. Just you have to verify your account. It will ask you to enter your lock screen password or fingerprint password. So just confirm your password or fingerprint. Just wait and then scroll down the notification and here you will see that Rust mobile is getting downloaded. So this is how you can download or install Rust mobile if it say this app is not available in your country. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.